Alright, Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com, meteorologist. This is your overnight outlook. Saturday morning, bright and early at 1:18 in the morning I'm doing this, and we're going to be heading into some interesting weather here in the Roanoke Valley, and we're going to go over that. It's going to be a little bit of a longer blog due to the fact that we're going to be talking about snowfall here in the Roanoke Valley and Northern Virginia, talking about DC and Baltimore also. Taking a look at the current temperatures at the 1 a.m. hour. We're taking a look at 28 here in Hot Springs, 34 in Lewisburg, 42 Roanoke, 40 Lexington, 38 Staunton. You see where this cold area is located. This is going to be the area with most snow. You draw a line right underneath towards Lynchburg and Roanoke, across Blacksburg. There's where the line of accumulating snow versus not accumulating snow will be. And we have 43 Smith Mountain Lake, 46 Martinsville, 46 Danville, 41 Galax. Well, I'm not saying we're not going to see snow. We're just not going to see the accumulation. We'll show you that in a WDBJ exclusive from WDBJ7.com, which is the CBS Roanoke. They have a nice model, and I'm also going to show you the model data from the NAM and the GFS about 30 hours out to show you what we're looking at there too. National temperatures: 44 Seattle, 32 Billings, 25 Minneapolis, 42 Roanoke. What's going on here is cold air damming is going to affect here. Low pressure is going to set up where this warm air is located, and that's going to pull the cold air down, and that's going to allow the snowfall to occur. Local satellite picture, you can see just a little bit of cloudiness going on right now across the area. Not real thick in cloud cover, but enough clouds to keep the temperatures a little bit up, but it's going to moisten the atmosphere. You can see here's the national satellite picture. We got this bunch of moisture is going to cut across here with this. Where's jet streams west to east here? It's a zonal flow. But we're going to have this low pressure and energy that's hitting here over Texas, kicking here to the area of North Carolina, and that's what's going to bring in the precipitation here in the area of snow. Radar at this current point, you can see nothing but a little bit of a shower here in southern parts of Virginia. Look at the hazard map across the country. You see winter weather watches here just north of the Roanoke Valley, winter weather advisories to the back of that, and you see fire weather and winter weather advisories, flood warnings along the Mississippi, and you see how it's all going. Taking a look at this is the NAM model. You can see here's the low pressures, the 540 line. You can see heavier precipitation does break out near the 540 line, which is going to be near Roanoke. This is 30 hours out. This is putting it around 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. And you can look at the NAM, GFS, it's the same way. A little bit actually more heavier precipitation falls over the Roanoke area. You see the main lows, the 50-50 low. We got one over Atlanta and one off the coast, bring enough cold air back in to make it change it all over to snow. Snowfall projections. Here's a WDJ projection. You can see the heaviest snowfall rates are going to be up here, Hot Springs, Lewisburg, Staunton area. Down here in Roanoke, near 2 inches. So when I show you my actual looking at the Weather Service and also looking at when I look at the models, I'm projecting close to about that in the area. Alright, I'll take a look at now the Weather Service projections. See the same idea. The heaviest snow up here towards Lexington, Lewisburg. We do have 1.5 and 2 inch marks here, even back here towards Benton Mountain. So you have to watch out. You know, these higher elevations are going to get more snow. So close to 2 inches of snow is going to be possible, especially in these higher elevations, possibly even more than that. And my snowfall projections, as I said, 1 to 2 inches in Roanoke, possibly a little bit higher in the higher elevations, Benton Mountain, Poor Mountain, Peaks of Otter, areas like that. Lexington, Virginia, 3 to 5 inches. Also, we look at DC, trace to 1 inch, and all same with Baltimore forecast there. Now we're looking at severe weather, and that's going to break out too in Mississippi and Alabama. This could actually be a moderate risk possible. And that's going to be for hail, high winds, and tornadic probabilities for the day on Saturday and Sunday. You can see this just kicks a little further to the east, South Carolina coast, to the area near Florida. So for Roanoke Valley forecast, PM mix will change to all snow overnight on Saturday. Sunday, that'll be 42 degrees, 37 on Sunday, with snow likely, a couple inches is possible. Monday goes back to sunshine, 52 and 53 for Tuesday. Rain returns for Wednesday, high of 54 degrees. And for the triad, it's not going to be snow, but it's going to be rain. 48 degrees and 51 on Sunday. Sunny skies Monday and Tuesday before we get back into the showers. 50s, low 50s are your temperatures. And triangle. PM rain 54, then rain 48 on Sunday, Monday sunny, and Tuesday sunny, 55 degrees respectively. And that goes also for Wednesday with showers and 55 degrees. So what we're looking at is a nice pattern for a little bit of snowfall here in the Roanoke Valley. Most snowfall usually ends around April 15th. It's about the latest I can find it here in the Roanoke Valley. So we are going to get some snow, and it ought to be interesting. I'll take some pictures and try to get you some images here from the Roanoke Valley and put them up on liveweatherblogs.com in some of my later blogs on the Overnight Outlook. So for liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison, and I'll have an update for you sometime tomorrow with an updated model forecast to see if anything has changed. Snow is expected here in the Roanoke Valley. Have a great evening.